Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. This speaker is Harman Kardon Go Plus Play 3 speaker. This is a Bluetooth speaker. It's with refined, say hot, substantially high quality aluminum handle and tempered glass top panel. Harman Go 3 is sleek design, look beautiful and sound even better. Got 3-way stereo sound, plus automatically tune itself to new surround, so your music always sound better. 8 hours of playtime and 3 hours of charging. The handy USB charging port will keep your phone from running out of charge in the middle of deep focus play. Superior sound performance with 3-way speaker design provide a detailed, clear stereo stage sound with down-firing subwoofer. Deliver a thunderous, accurate bass. Dual twister and mid-range drivers provide a flawless vocal and instrument reproduction, while an additional front-mounted passive radiator kick out the punch. With rechargeable built-in battery, you can enjoy Harman Kardon Go Plus 3 anywhere in your room and easily transport it from one room to another. This speaker got 5 internal speakers, compatible with iPhone and iPad, Bluetooth compatible, 160 watts, 3 amplifier channels, frequency 43 Hz to 20,000 Hz. No need for app. We're going to unbox this, check it out and see what is inside. I hope it will help you to make informed choice.
Yes!
This is information pack. This is the power cable. Three-pin power cable. Nice. Brilliant, look at that. Nice. And see what it looks like. This is quite heavy. This stays this way. You can see the aluminum handle and the glass front panel. It's beautiful. And the back aux power and charging out. So you have the aux port goes in here, power and charging. So this is the Bluetooth button. You switch this on and off from this button, and minus is for you to decrease the volume, the plus is for you to increase the volume, and this button is for you to receive call. The light is showing here. So connect the power cable, push it in. Plug it on to the power. So once you switch it on, you see a light here, and it's gone to Bluetooth. You can see the Bluetooth is blue light. Once you select Bluetooth, change to blue color, looking for available Bluetooth device. Now we want to connect this with a laptop, so you need to go to your laptop settings, then go to Bluetooth and devices, switch your laptop Bluetooth, then select add device, select Bluetooth, and it's now looking for available Bluetooth device. HK Go Plus Play 3 is available audio. Then you need to select on it, and it's connected. Once it's connected, you will hear a noise from the speaker, and also a white light will be showing. It will change from blue color to white light. Then you select done. We're going to test the audio using Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound is music for content creator. Go to saved music. This is the audio.
you adore me, adore me. Go on now, adore me, adore me. Little did I know she wanted you alone. I thought she was over you, but I guess I was wrong. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes she made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. She thought she could tear us apart when she kissed your lips. Oh, what a plot twist. 'Cause now you adore me, adore me. Go right now.
Get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Start my day. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Drink some water, brush my teeth, get out of bed and I stretch. Better my hair is a mess. Look through my clothes for a fit. Anything I do is drip. Feel like a kid when I'm tick-tocking, I still keep it real as it is. I show my age, I don't switch often, I'm just as a dad as it gets. Try taking naps with my kids, talking, I'm guessing this life how it is. And I can't wait for the weekend, keep jammies on like I'm a kid, yeah. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Feel good, feel great, can't complain. Look out my window, see birds and planes. Sun's out, some clouds, it might rain. Siblings on my nerves again. Summertime, go for a swim. Wintertime, go grab a sled. Spring, I might need an
Hello, you don't even know my name, but I am happy you came by. No lessons learned, of course you're gonna leave as soon as you came across who I am not. This party sucks, I'm out of luck, and no one seems to get me here. They talk about some other stuff that I don't even wanna hear. The crazy part is that I didn't feel this way before I got here.
This speaker deserves your attention. Is value for money. Concern is this speaker is not waterproof and it doesn't have app. You cannot adjust equalizer or customize this, but it's mentioned that it will calibrate to the environment. It's not waterproof, so you need to use this speaker indoor. In terms of the portability, you can move it around, carry it within the environment, within indoor. Take it outside when it's not raining. If it's raining, then you need to bring the speaker inside, so it's not waterproof. But overall, I'm happy with this. I like the aluminum handle and also the glass front panel. It's nice quality, decent, and value for the money. I like the design. Overall, I'm happy with it. So I hope this will help you to make informed choice. In terms of the audio quality, is top notch. Thank you very much indeed.